One of the first questions any Jeep Wrangler buyer has to answer is, which top do I get? Soft top or the optional hard top? Well, if you're buying a Wrangler Unlimited, which is code for 4-door, you could get both. But don't bring the kids to the dealership when you go to pick it up, because there's no place for them to sit. Let's pull this thing out, open it up, and see what's inside. Oh, this one's got some heft to it. Wonder what's in there. Oh, this is a spacer. Doesn't have anything in it. And then this sounds like it has bolts and nuts. And of course, there's the top itself. Trim pieces. And he thinks there's going to be a lot to do. More trim pieces. That one's steel. A couple more bolts. Still more bolts and some strap things. You know, this box is probably a good place to keep these until I need them. That's what was in there, and we'll get back to those in a little bit. It's a thing. It looks like this goes along the back, just above the tailgate. That's my bet. Oh, we know what these are. We've got the 2 rear side windows and one for the back. All that's left is the top itself. This has got a cover on it. So this is what you get if you buy the dual top option, other than what looks like about an hour of work and probably a storage problem. I can't help but notice that the only thing that wasn't in that box was instructions. And I checked that empty box that might have had something in it. It was empty, so no instructions. We're gonna have to make this up as we go along. To see what it's like to go from one top to the other, check out our Jeep Wrangler top swap video. And to see more videos like this, hit subscribe.